starting another video series called Mu2e, Muons plus electrons, cross-reference WOW alien radio signal data. So I found that you were doing some research on converting muons to electrons, and I looked in the WOW data to see what was coming up in there, and I started doing a cross-reference on it. So I started doing this September 26th. Today is October the 5th, 2012. So the WOW data cross-reference keywords are muons. So I found them in line 16A of the WOW video: Stereographic, projection, time-lapse, functions, spherical, Plucker, coordinates, Euclidean, Minkowski, space, WOW SETI. That's the first title. The second one was line 16B, relativity, hyperbolas, neutrino, muon, Einstein, kinetic energy, OPAL, Lapse, CERN, detector, WOW SETI. And the third video was line 16B and 16C, opera, LEP, OPAL, Muon, detector, neutrinos, my thoughts, line 16ABC, WOW SETI. So I'm going to look at the notes for line 16B, relativity, hyperbolas, neutrino, muon, Einstein, kinetic energy, OPAL, LEP, CERN, detector, WOW SETI. And the keywords are kinetic energy of the muon, the OPAL experiment at LEP 1989 to 2000, the OPAL and muon detector, and my thoughts of line 18 ABC. More keywords are hyperbola, superluminal neutrinos, conservation of momentum, initial momentum equals 0 equals final momentum equals p muon minus p neutrino. So they have equal momenta in opposite directions, of course. Let's just call it p. Conservation of energy in natural C equals 1 units. Initial energy equals m pion equals final. And that's on answers.yahoo.com. The OPAL experiment, I already did that all one. OPAL was one of the major particle physics experiments at CERN, and the website's opal.web.cern.ch. Keywords: subjects in line 16B equation, theory of special relativity of Einstein, superluminal neutrinos, hyperbolas. Neutrinos travel faster than the speed of light, conservation of momentum, kinetic energy of the muon, the OPAL experiment, LEP 1989-2000. Again, this comes up again. The OPAL and muon detector, my thoughts, line 16 ABC. Obviously, it's a repeat in that video. So we can see the words neutrino plus kinetic energy plus muon plus OPAL, muon, and opera experiments are somehow tied in together. I think they want you to put the data from all 6 testing facilities and see if you can combine it together to make something new, creating a more powerful force that can be used in a rocket jet propulsion energy. Look at the data from relativity, jet particles from the black holes, and see if this can be used in any way with neutrinos to add some power to your particles in the gases in the engines. Relativistic jets and black holes are studied in line 15D. Actually, it ties in with other mathematical equations and functions that you might need to calculate the speed and velocities required for the UFO space engine that you will have to build. So I would see line 15A, B, B2, C, D, D2, E, and F. Also look at all the data about neutrinos in line 15 and 16, series of videos. I give a list of videos where it comes up with other mathematical equations, functions, calculations, tests, and theories from physicists from all over the world. Data comes up with the WOW SETI math equations found in the 1977 alien radio contact signal. So line 16CB, opera, ELF, OPAL, muon, detector, neutrinos, my thoughts, 16ABC, WOW SETI. The keyword is ELF, A-L-E-P-H. And there's a graph. And DESI 12 came up, the measurement of beauty and charm, photo production using semi-muonic decays and D-jet events at HERA. And that's how I got working on the HERA videos, which I've put under the Higgs. Okay, so I started doing muons. They came up with the Higgs and the HERA, and then what I did is separated them into their own little category because it's something that you're studying and working on. So I wanted to make a new series about that as well. So my thoughts: September 26, 2012. HERA came up with the Higgs boson mass particles research. Interesting. Now I'm looking at the muon to electron theories and data in WOW. I wonder if the two come up together on there as well. Let's see. So I did a Google on muon plus HERA. So what I've done is I've divided them into 7 or 8 other videos, and I'm going to work on those next. And I do have them up on the blogs with notes. So I'm going to stop this and we'll go take a look at my blog and see what I've done so far. Thank you for watching.